If you don't understand the cost of a video production, you hire the wrong team, they won't get you results, and you'll get frustrated because you just wasted your investment. With over a decade of working with different brands, helping them create videos that gets results, I'm going to show you what the cost of a video production entails and what you should look out for when you are hiring a team or a videographer. The first stage of video production is pre-production. In pre-production stage, this is where you're planning, the team's planning with you, understanding exactly what you need to get done. They're understanding your objectives, your goals. They're also then reaching out to talents if you need actors or if you need models. They're also prepping to basically go out and shoot. Now, once this is all handled, then they'll move on to the next stage, which is the production stage. In the production stage, this is where the team, they're showing up on a film set, or they're taking your product and they're bringing your vision to life. So they will have their equipment like lights, camera, mics, the whole thing, and just, making that vision come to life. Once all this is done, they move on to the next stage, which is the post-production stage. In the post-production stage, this is where they are taking that footage that they've captured and they're putting this on a timeline. They are chopping it up, cutting the bad takes, keeping the good ones, color correcting it, fixing the audio, adding some instrumentals in the background to evoke some sort of emotion. Just in general, putting icing on the cake. Once this is done and you're comfortable with it, and the team also looks at it and they've given it that green light, and now we're moving on to the next stage, which is delivering the video. We want to distribute it and get it out there, because if no one sees your video, or if it doesn't get used for the purpose that it needs to get, you're not going to be getting any results from it. This is where the team, if you need, they'll help you to market it, get it out there either through ads or through organic reach, for example, social media, or maybe just putting it on the screen in your office. That way, when potential clients or customers come in, they can see it. Now, these steps are all what goes into creating a video. You can see how in these steps right here, it does take a lot of work, and for each step, there is a cost that's attached to it. So when you add everything up, the cost of a video production for high quality production would be anywhere from $1,000 to $7,000 plus. If a video production team is not charging you anywhere around this price, then you have to dig deeper. You have to do more investigation. They might not be covering some aspect of this video production stage, and they're just cutting costs. So what you want to do is you want to make sure before you hire them, you look at their Google reviews. If you possibly can, talk to their past customers. See what sort of results they've got. And if you cannot do that, then look at their case studies. Ask them for case studies. See what they've done. Look at their style of work. You also want to make sure, because you are going to be spending tons of time with this team or this videographer, you want to make sure their personality and yours match. Because if you guys don't get along, it's going to be a very, very headache process. So make sure you are looking at these things before you go and hire a videographer or a video production team. If you need more clarity on the video production team or the video production process, feel free to reach out to me for a consultation, and I'll be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.